Hi guys, today's video, we're gonna be showing you the proper adjustment of the wing mirror. Kung mapapansin niyo sa driver side natin, driver side mirror, at the very last view, like you can see the driver side rear door handle, and then on the forward side, like you can also see the front door handle on the driver side. These two handles have to have the these two door handles here have to be here, like as you can see right on the edge. So that's the proper adjustment to the mirror. Like you can see also the wide angle, like I said, and then once after you adjust it, you do the same thing on the passenger side. See the door there? The door handle should be appearing on the image, like on the view. You should have that. Like, as you can see when you're driving, like I'm pointing out the passenger side wing mirror. So that's the proper adjustment, guys. Na makikita mo yung door handle, na dalawang door handle dyan. One, ang pinakahuli dyan is yung sa door handle ng passenger side door, and yung nasa unahan is yung malapit dito sa may unahan, bandang unahan is driver side door handle, no? So once you get that angle on two door handles on the view, then that's the proper wing mirror adjustment. So it has to do with the same thing on the other side, like the driver side here, as you can see. Yeah. So and then so that's the proper adjustment, guys. And then while doing the when you intend to overtake, or while doing the overtake, once you intend to overtake, when you're driving in a highway or an empty highway, so since this is a right hand drive, and then you want to overtake, like, so you have to have a look on the passenger, okay, so you have to look on the both sides of the mirror. If the highway is a two-way, three-way, so you have to look on both sides. And then the safest distance, guys, while you're overtaking is the object or the car should appearing on the center mirror or the middle mirror, which is on board. Once you can see the car that is in here appearing on the middle mirror, onboard mirror, then that's the safe distance to transfer, you know? So that's the time for you to overtake, to change lane, right? So pagka nakikita niyo, guys, na kung gusto niyo na mag-overtake, wag lang kayong mag-overtake basta-basta pagka nakita niyo sa passenger side mirror or the driver side. If you have the left hand drive or right hand drive, either you have to look both ways. So okay, basta-basta mag-overtake, kasi pag nakikita niyo ang car o ang object is on the mirror, so to confirm that you have the safest gap or distance to overtake is here. Once the car appear on the middle mirror, then that's the time you can overtake. That's the right position, or the safest position to overtake, no? And then don't underestimate also the speed of the other car. So you have to match up. Like if you want to overtake, so you have to go higher speed if you're overtaking. And also, if you notice that you have a bad odor inside of your car, then you may have to open the passenger side window, or either driver side window, like two fingers gap, like that, two fingers gap, and then you open also the passenger side rear window, like so. So this opening here of the window is just like kind of ventilation. So here you have two fingers open, which is the air goes out here and exit on the rear passenger side window. That is also the good way to remove the bad odors of your car. If the car is a kind of bad odor like smoke, whatever, so that will ventilate faster, like the odor will go out immediately. Like, if you don't want the driver side to be open or the passenger side to be open, rear, so you can have the passenger's window open and open up also on the other side, either both ways, no? So para lalabas yung mga usok o whatever, hindi ka nais na what it is, amoy na inyong sasakyan. So maaari lamang na i-open niyo yung door niyo, like two fingers while you're driving, and then you notice a bad odor, open the driver side door window, window, two fingers, and then open the other side on the rear, and in that case that will pull out the bad odor. Okay, so and then during the traffic, guys, during traffic, you also notice that the exhaust from the other car, the exhaust or the smoke from the other car, once you're starting your ventilation, like if you turn your fan on, and you sense the smell of the smoke from the other car or other kind of weed smoke from the outside. So if you don't want to smell them, to avoid smelling them from the outside and going inside into your car, you just have to press this button here. That button here indicates that the recirculation, there's no other smoke that is coming from the outside, so the atmosphere air is only running on the inside of your car. And then so that's also, you can also turn on your AC while doing so you cannot inhale the smoke on the outside atmosphere. And then so that's how you do it. Okay, so this is the recirculation, like ang ini-circulate ng air is within the car itself. Hindi siya makakalanghap ng hangin mula sa labas, like fresh air. So if you turn it off, then the fresh air will goes in. And then there are some other features of the other cars, like some cars don't have the rear AC, but this is armed with rear AC also, like air conditioning system. And then other features is they have the heated seats, no? Like heated seats. So dito kasi sa Europe guys, dito sa Europe, bandang Europe, siyempre merong 4 seasons in a day sometimes. But normally we have 4 seasons. Like summer, winter, autumn, and then summer, winter, autumn, and spring. So it's very necessary that we have the heated seats as well, because once you jump in the car, you will see a very cold. Malamig yung upuan, so kailangan yung heated seats. But some other cars they don't have the special features, no? But actually this is only for the high-end type of car or SUV. This is SUV Santa Fe. And I found it that I'm not pushing other brands, since hindi naman ako binabayaran ng mga kumpanya na ito, but I really appreciate and I really admire about the technology of the Hyundai. Hyundai is made in Korea, guys, as you know. This is made in Korea, and Korean made has a lot of things, no? So they are really highly high-end cars. It depends on what you want on the car, but here this is Hyundai Santa Fe. This is like an executive version of the Hyundai. So it is a lot of features in this car or in this SUV. So it has a 6-speed also. So that's it for now, guys, and thank you.